You see that? That's a chrysalis.
That's a butterfly.
I think it's a monarch.
Dill.
Dill, right. You see that one right there? These plants over here, those are called tomatillos. Plaza Latina tomatillos.
Tomatillos.
So if you ever want the salsa, the green salsa, the salsa verde, that's what you're going to use.
Beet.
You know what this is?
No.
Sugar snap peas. These are sugar snap peas. Let me see if I can find you one. Sugar snap pea. You can eat them at any stage. They're delicious. You can eat them raw. This is a mini cover crop. I have white mustard, maybe some daikon radish, but this white mustard is a biofumigant. It will cleanse the soil. This is a volunteer basil. This was a basil plant and it reseeded. These are pole beans. This here's I planted yesterday is butternut squash, and then that row right there is spaghetti squash, and down over there I did delicata squash and some cantaloupe. This is going to be cucumbers, and this is going to be cucumbers. So I've already put some companion plants behind it, and then this will be basil here again. I got a lot of basil because it's such a good plant for keeping bad insects out. Peppers and eggplant. Strawberries. These are just my fake ones for the birds. This will be my squash beds this week. I haven't planted them, but that's dill and icicle radishes. Rhubarb, oregano, chives, and then thyme. This is asparagus that's been newly planted this year. So those are baby asparagus. This dill is a companion plant to asparagus that keeps the asparagus beetles away. Bone meal now. These are my eggshells. 1 teaspoon, I have to put two of those in. Half a teaspoon kelp meal. I'm going to have to do a trench, so I'm going to go this way also. Once I get that, then I'm going to put some of the soil in here and mix it with the amendment. I'm going to pull some of the weeds around there. It has been tilled, but my garden at my other place is a no-till garden. So I've laid down some living mulch. You can't really see it, but that's living mulch, and it will be, that's white Dutch clover. I don't really do the trenching as much. My plants got too big. These are my leftover plants from my other garden. Mycorrhizae, with the bacteria, it has the fungal, and it will make the roots connect a little bit better and uptake the nutrients. So I just sprinkle it in the hole like that, and now we're ready to plant. I'm burying this right here so that I'm gonna bend it like so it comes up so it's not so tall, okay, and it will grow nice and thick roots. And you know, if you wanted to, you could put this in some water and it will grow some roots and you can plant it again. So I'm just going to ease it and just sort of firm it. I might even go get a little stake for it. So that's doing a trench. So I'm going to just pull a few of these weeds like I did before. What I do is I try to make sure it's streamlined. I got all my buckets like in a row with the amendments. Do the hole right about here. I think I'll go a little bit further down. So now I just have to go on an angle a little bit. The root ball goes down here and then you gradually go up and it will come straight up. Again, it's the amendments that I have. I have Jiffy Mix, Black Cow, gypsum, bone meal, eggshell, finely ground eggshells. Those will break down a lot quicker than if you just crush the eggshells with your hands. I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom again. I'm gonna do peppers and then 2 eggplants right here. So I'm gonna put a little bit in the hole. Okay, and add the mycorrhizae. It's like a California pepper, but it has more solid, meatier pepper. This is the bread ties for my little markers. Eggplant. Well, thank you for checking out my learning plot. I hope you come back real soon. Always something going on. Next will be watermelon, okra, squash. So come on back.